Hello and welcome to another video of Silkypix Developer Studio Pro. In this video, I'm going to show you how to control your luminance, contrast, midtone and shadow by using tone curve. In last video, I showed you how to control your contrast and luminance by using contrast slider or tone section. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do exactly the same thing but using curve. Tone curve is a brilliant tool in photography, and by using tone curve you can have more control over your photograph. You can always click your area like I did already and do a classic S curve. Now you have contrast. Obviously in this photograph I need to reduce shadow, so what I can do, I can actually go upward and I reduce my highlight. So I can do that by clicking that. Now I have quite nice and flat photograph. I like it that way because I have bright background, bright sky and bit dark foreground. Now I have reduced it using tone curve. You can obviously play with it if you know how to use tone curve. This is a very good tool. I highly recommend you to use tone curve to control your contrast, shadow and highlight. I hope this video has been helpful. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.